Today, we will talk about Giffen goods, a unique type of product that defies standard supply and demand theories. A Giffen good is a low-income, non-luxury product that defies standard economic and consumer demand theory. Demand for Giffen goods rises when the price rises and falls when the price falls. In econometrics, this results in an upward-sloping demand curve, contrary to the fundamental laws of demand which create a downward-sloping demand curve. The term Giffen goods was named after Sir Robert Giffen, a 19th-century economist. Giffen goods are a rarity in economics because supply and demand for these goods are opposite of standard conventions. Giffen goods can be the result of multiple market variables including supply, demand, price, income, and substitution. All of these variables are central to the basic theories of supply and demand economics. Examples of Giffen goods are a study in the effects of these variables on low-income, non-luxury goods which result in an upward-sloping demand curve. The laws of supply and demand govern macro and microeconomic theories. Economists have found that when prices rise, demand falls, creating a downward-sloping curve. When prices fall, demand is expected to increase, creating an upward-sloping curve. Income can slightly mitigate these results, flattening curves since more personal income can result in different behaviors. Substitution and the substitution effect can also be significant. In his textbook Principles of Economics, economist Alfred Marshall described Robert Giffen's work in the context of bread rising in price because people lacked the income to buy meat. However, in 1947, the meat bread example was challenged by George J. Stigler in his article Notes on the History of the Giffen Paradox. Another example of the existence of a Giffen good was offered by a 2007 study in China. Both Giffen goods and Veblen goods are non-ordinary goods that defy standard supply and demand conventions. With both Giffen and Veblen goods, a product's demand curve is upward sloping. Income and substitution are key factors in explaining the econometrics of the upward-sloping demand curve for Giffen goods as discussed. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A Giffen good is a low-income, non-luxury product for which demand increases as the price increases and vice versa. 2. A Giffen good has an upward-sloping demand curve which is contrary to the fundamental laws of demand which are based on a downward-sloping demand curve. 3. Demand for Giffen goods is heavily influenced by a lack of close substitutes and income pressures. 4. Veblen goods are similar to Giffen goods but with a focus on luxury items. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.